Hi, welcome. This is our second lab for network administration. Now I want to log in again to my Windows server. Today we will install Active Directory and we will install the most important services here. So first go to Input, Keyboard, insert Ctrl-Alt-Delete, and then just put the password here. Okay, just wait here, then we'll start with Server Manager. You can close this message. Okay, click here, yes. Just wait here for a few seconds. Okay, from here, Server Manager, we can download Active Directory and other services. So first time when you want to start here, view this local server. Okay, you will start here with these options. Click first here, Configure. This is if you want to check here what we have here, the computer name, whatever installed, okay, like the status of your device, but we didn't start yet here, so we can go back to dashboard, and from dashboard go to add roles and features. Okay, collecting inventory data, yes, you can wait for refreshing here. See, it's doing some refresh, just wait for a few seconds. Once you see this line stop, you can go with you can start installation here. Okay, try here now, click, yes, now you can start. So before you begin, this wizard helps you to install role services. So as I said, Active Directory and other services here. So click on next here and choose what you want here to configure in a single server by adding role and other things, or using virtual desktop infrastructure like remotely. Okay, this is here VDI. If you want to do it remotely and not in the same device in another one. Okay, on remotely access, you want to do the installation. I want for this device, so I will keep this first option here, and then I will go next. Now select a server. I have only one. This is what we installed last time. Okay, this one, so I will keep it. If I have more than one, I have to choose which one I want to use now. So click on next. Now check where is Active Directory. You see this one, Active Directory Domain Service. Click on Add Feature and then go next. Okay, for now just go next, and start installing. Wait here to finish installation. Okay, once finish, click on refresh here. Okay, and wait few seconds. Okay, so after finish here, you have to wait for loading to go to the next. Now we install Active Directory. We'll start create domain, then print service, DHCP, DNS. Okay, once you click here, you will find here that this completed, and here this is the next you have to do. You have, after you install the Active Directory, you have to choose or to create domain controller. Click on it and go with the steps here. Add a domain controller to an existing domain. I don't have any domain now, so I will add a new forest first, the space for domain. Okay, wait this to finish here. Okay, so click on add a new forest and then choose. Here I will put my name, for example, Khalid.com. This is the domain here name. Then click OK or next here and wait creating here. Okay, good. So here choose, yes, I have Windows Server. Okay, read only domain, control domain. Can keep it here. You have to set a password. Okay, let's set a password. Then go next. Okay, then next. Here you'll find your domain name. Just next. Now again here, just click next. Here the information, this is about your Active Directory and domain and what you have till now. Then go next. Just wait. Okay, here so checks everything passed successfully. Let's click on install and just wait again for next one. Okay, once finished, will be installed by itself. Okay, so log in again here. When you go back here to Windows to Server Manager, just refresh. Okay, now I will go back to add role and features. Go here, next, 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 and then check here DNS server, it's there. Take also DHCP server, add it, So I will add DHCP, DNS, and also here try to find okay for now. Yes, okay. So go next. Then next, and install. Once finished installation, click on close. Now we install most what we need. If you go to tools, you will find them. So, and also in this site, group policy management, DNS, DHCP. So let's go with DHCP here. Okay, here we are in version 4. So you can go in version 4, right click, new scope. We want to create a new pool here. So next. Okay, give it any name like Khaled DHCP, and then start here. You want your range start with what? For example, 192, 168, 0, 0, and end with 192, 168, 0, 100. For example, I have 100 devices. Okay, here the link 24. Okay, keep it subject mask. Next. Okay, here they want you to start from the IP addresses which you can use, because 00 it's the network ID, so you have to start with IP addresses which you can use. So next here, now what you want to if you want to like keep some IP addresses for specific devices, and here I can exclude some IP addresses. For example, I want for router 192.168.0.1. So this one I want to keep it for router. I will type it here. So no DHCP will not give it to any other device. So I will keep this one, and I will keep other one for server, for example, if I want. Server here. So that's enough. Now next. Okay, every how many days you want to keep the same IP addresses for the same user. So this is it's up to you. If you can keep it as it is, it's fine. We can talk about it later. Do you want to configure DHCP options for this scope now? Yes. Start use it here to add IP address to router use. Okay, so for router I said here I want 168.0.1. This is here. Okay, for router this is domain name. Okay, you can put the server. Okay, let's keep here, skip. Yes, I want to make it active. Finish. That's it. This is for DHCP. So now we finish with Active Directory. We create domain. We install the other services. We used here DHCP.